Rough cut. Them not have nobody fi war me. Them would have to let out cartel out of jail. Everybody else a go feel.
May I represent for one media fox. Media fox, media fox. How the latest news them lock.
Wagwan, you don't know media facts, you know. Yeah, man. So people, a be a thing I go on in media. You don't know say family run out. Deal with Masicka. Wicked. Seeing? You don't know Masicka did job for him song before and you know I use cartel for one thing. Seeing? Remember this. Masicka and Tamili are two bad artists them. But this is what I like now. I realize true, you know, some people are say, yo, some biasness are going in the thing and you know, through Tamili they on the Gaza side and through Masicka, them say Masicka this cartel and you know one bag of thing. You know, but it's like I realize there's some sympathy thing I play with Masicka thing like, bro, this is a war. Like at first in a dancehall when me say, yo, when man a clash and you know, it's like bro, one not understand, you know. The people them, the industry baby up Masicka all these years. Masicka do a look one clash with him and Khalid though. Which that ain't no big that ain't no really no clash where we can say yo. You understand for real mates but you see that one you know? The one you know with Masicka now, this time first official like that one yeah global. Yeah, that one yeah global, everybody I watch, everybody I tune in. I'ma always tell people this. The industry make Masicka feel like him is this man. So that kind of boosts him ego now. That's how you see when him can go up on the stage and talk about, yo, me are the baddest thing, yo, me are the goat, me are the king, me are the Ray. Because them baby him up comfort, yo, Masicka drop them one bag of hits, you know, Masicka do this, you know, yo, Masicka consistent. Yeah, my drop some hot song and thing. But when him go out there in the world and perform, right? Because majority of Masicka show them what him do. Them not really highlight them thing there, you know. Them not show certain people what really are going, you know. So when him go out there in the world now and sing the same song them, what them say it's, you have to say, yo, January people them not react now, we are what going. Can I see that him do that at BRT already? And the people crowd just stand up on man so tush. Yeah. Because this is the thing, you know. Masicka has some good song, you know. Man nah lie, but tell me why. You see him like how him can't execute in the war. I see him so him can't perform them when him go up on the stage. When him for perform them, right? So if somebody pop up at the show, nobody is like the body not gonna learn because him sing a song. Brrr. Like this man nah try him not know for perform that good on stage. Right? But the thing is that now, a lot of people get tricked because them have Masicka as this high, you see me, bad man artist and thing where you see him always a drop gun songs and these things. It kind of have people say, yo, Masicka can rub out Tamili. But them never know say Masicka run up in a dead trap. And this is the thing in the people. You can't have Masicka can in bad panic gun song them, you know. Zine, although them say him have one flow, but the one flow work with him still. The people them like it. Right? The people them like it. So him would drop other songs and him drop collaborations, you know, with some people. Him do a lot of collab and things, but sometimes they not really pre that one day. But if you see him not really have major hit song when it comes to woman, like girl song. But you see when it come to the man song them, like the gangster song them and them thing there, yeah. People like them thing there. So true back in the days now, Masicka usually drop some lyrics and some tough song and every little thing. It kind of trick the people them. But look here, Masicka not really know how to counteract. He don't know the art of war. For all these years, Masicka never test in potential when it comes to war yet. You understand, like a lyrical battle where you see like them gone war. This a round 4 with him and Tamili. Round 4. Cause look here, when Masicka just start the war, you know, Masicka do like the man do a 5 minute and 6 minute song, you know, people. Right? And then boom, when it reach a third round, him start for you, him use cartel flow and everything, but him not this to all of Gaza. Him a this some man like Sean Storm and Nuffy and them man there. You understand? It's like him not address everybody. Him not this cartel, him not do that. Fine. But the thing is that Masicka, when it comes to war or war songs, counteraction, you know, how we make everything flow the right way. No, that is not Masicka. So the highly expecting certain things with Masicka, where people they say, yo, Masicka go need him, you know. When they realize put to the test now, people lose off of him. You understand? Because Masicka can't do better than we do now, you know. People, alright, first of all, people know truly I say Masicka talent when it comes to war songs. Them just do it. And let me tell you see, because some people used to, because yo, Tamale drop lyrics, you know, right? Punchline everything, you know, gimmicks everything. Which that's dancehall, war, you have to make people laugh, fun, everything, right? But look, you know, it's true because Tamale is a man like when they say a demon thing and him kind of put a little, you know, them scare move with the thing to the song. But it kind of have a vibes, right? But you see, Masicka now, Masicka have a theme, you got hear Masicka voice and everything. Same like in a regular gun song them. So people used to that with Masicka. So some people will say, yo, Tamale mechanize and thing, but Tamale chop lyrics, the vibes there and everything. Because me hear people forward out, you know. I'm gonna like these people. If a war, but I feel like them start say, yo, about biasness and everything. Brother, if a Tamale did I lose, Masicka just not doing the right thing, bro. Because after 6 minutes song, right? And the 5 minute song, then him go down to 3 and then him go use cartel flow. See? And then him go use the flow and him still not execute. A lot of people, even the Gaza people, some of them lose off of what him do. Him not do the right thing at the war. So that's why people say, yo, a war go on here, so. Yeah, because look at now. Remember, you know, Tamale had this all jashy them, you know. Alkaline get involved. Right? Masicka just making the wrong things then because if the people them tell you this and you not do it, the people them say, yo, it's like you give them an easy chance to say, yo, Tamale are going with the thing. Because people must say this cartel, the people them say, what you call it? This alkaline. You not do it. I don't know what happened, but to me, Masicka just not build. Him just not build for war thing. And it's just fine. And you have a lot of artists in a dancehall. Example like Popcorn, them sing gangster song and them thing there. A lot of artists do it, but when it comes to war, like clash. Remember, you know, let me tell you this. You see, when it comes to clashing, you have to have some intel, some information when nobody don't know. Yeah, that make it interested, right? Masicka kind of run out of things when it forward to Tamale. So that's why, but Tamale have a punchline, and Tamale, let me tell you what the problem too. Tamale listen everything when Masicka say nice and him reply to it. Cause when Masicka say, yo, broom, he must sweep cartel yard. The man use the same broom thing and the man say, this is a broom and then the wall the sweep and then this is a broom and when the neighbor no see it. You understand? The man use back that technique there. In it. Strategy. The man using him sang them. At that I mash up Masicka. Masicka just a sing. Him nah put no skill to the war. That are the problem. You have to entertain the people them that the flow a different flow, different the rhythm. Masicka nah do that. He must sing some, remember and he must say yo, like he must say yo, what do them, you know, what do them? So basically, you don't know that a cartel flow. He must say, who that a chat, that chat. So it's like, him not change up the thing, them change up the flow, them, him not execute what him for say, right? I mean, me see a lot of people are calling on some panel and I say, yo, the man them kinda, you know, some man of and say, yo, a biasness and true Tamale say Gaza, most of the people them say Gaza, yo, them a pick side and but bro, we all say what go on. You know, say Masicka call this man himself. May I tell you know why? Masicka always a forward and say him are the baddest thing, you know. Him are the baddest thing, him are the baddest artist. Right? He must say gun song them are everything. Right? Him are the goat, him are the this, him are the that. You see, so now him have the time to prove it. And it's like him get weak out. Because you know why? Him get so comfortable by people accepting him same flow and thing, and you don't know them, I say him consistent, and him a drop a hit song them and everything. So that put him in a comfort zone now. And that a problem, you know. Masicka we are sing about girl song and him have to add in one little Glock or one little gun party night. That a one a problem. Gun song. Imagine a man do a 5-minute song and a 6-minute song. And him not analyze the whole of the time him a you know, throw some jams or nothing. It's just a regular gun thing. Him good pon that. But in a war, brother, you can't just do a regular thing. And if you're gonna do that, you have to just know say yo, a flow in it where we make people dance. You see the song them Tamilia do? The catchy point in it, the chorus them when the man say yo, you're not killer, you're a coward, fixing business for him. You have to have them punch. Masicka not have them there. Him not have them there. The only punchline me see man having a song them. Right? The only one, and it's not theme flow, cartel flow. I what do them? Him not have nothing. Tamily have them. Tamily have them. And it because Masicka just can't. I mean, I know why people not just accept it. Them always say about bias and everything. And the truth, and if nobody fault. If Tamily did a lose and I say some shaggy, brother, it would have been the same thing. But maybe through the two man them a fought from Gaza now. Right? Them a fought from Gaza now. So it's like when me realize pan the panel them, through the two man them usually say Gaza, it's like when you have some set of time them a say, yo, man now have a flow, Masicka now have this, and then when you hear down in the last part, yo, a man calling pan the panel and man I say, yo, you know that no cannot discredit with Masicka do, and then the man them say, yo, you know, say not like that, but yo, Masicka good, the man them start cheap. Bro, no need to stop it, brother. You say if you no keep on baby up Masicka, bro, Masicka have to learn the harder way, brother. Me I tell you. This for humble him. Because Masicka out there on stage, him the baddest thing and everything. So show it in your lyrics then. Show it in your lyrics. Right? So you saw it feel. How it feel when you do something and majority of the people must say, yo, Tamily. And not because me no feel like on a Gaza thing. Or the flow of them, the people them each a click on pan Tamily because him a create the voice, everything. The man a create style na the war, the man a sweep out the crooks. Remember Masicka say, yo, Tamily a sweep yard, you know. So a man say, alright, this is a broom for no sweep. And the man sweep out the crooks and you see me man have a zap on, cause video him a do, you know. Right? But the flow there. When you talk clarity, you know, you understand you have to have them there in the song. Masicka no really have them. It's like Masicka sing back a gun song, a regular gun song, brother. Nothing in there no real. Him have some punch and him say something about Tamily, you know. But look here now. It's like by the time you listen to one day, him gone back in a gun lyrics. That are the problem. Him sang them now catchy people them vibes where people them can remember. It's alright. When I sang them can remember in a clash say yo, the flow. Cause look at people, may I listen to the song them, you know. See, me I listen to the song them. You see song when him V and when Masicka do, that tough. Me nah lie. You see if him did a forward with them type of, but look at now, when the man go tears now, but things that the man would have cut down the song. The man do 5 minutes and then go do 6. And then in a vein, the man care about the same thing them when him talk about in a vein. You understand? And at that kind of drop the ball, and then now, after so many long songs, then you come back and you start use cartel flow, brother. At that, you know, let me tell you what kill the moment. When him go use cartel flow, it kind of take the attention off of the rest of the things them in the song. That are the problem. The only thing people like talk about in the song must be when them say about Tamily, when them say about Tamily that and what. But right now, Tamily erase that. So, as I say, a two bad artists, but Tamily have a lot of edge over Masicka right now. And I'm not bias, bro. I don't know why people are talking about bias, bro. In a war, there's no sympathy. Masicka for just learn the harder way, brother. Maybe after that clash, yeah. Because to me see it right now, bro. Tamili a win. Come and tell people, you know. Masicka weak note himself from the first two songs them. You can't do such a long song, bro. So early. If you're in a war, I tell you, bro, and Tamili smart. I tell you, Tamili smart. Because what Tamili do, when he put out the first two songs them, Tamili always listen to, you know. Right? Him listen. Masicka not listen. That's why you see my feel. Tamili listen. And if you realize, the last two songs them Tamili drop, a bang of them. You see, first song, he could have gone, you know, it kind of, the second song now, yeah, could have, you know, if you realize, forwarding up to this last song with Tamili drop, you can see, say, the youth improve. Him a listen. Masicka nah listen, brother. Him nah listen. People been a telling, but look here now. People might tell him say, yo, this cartel, this alkaline, you know. But look here now. You have to go have a flow back of that. You have to go fix up that. But that is just Masicka. Masicka was in a comfort zone. Masicka living in his studio, you know. So it's like, true, everybody, when him drop certain song, them say, yo, Masicka, yo, his song bad. So it's like, it gets so immune in his brain. So it's just that sound, that thing, that the vibes there. That's why they take so long for like people always call him Iron Balloon. Because when them listen to the song, nothing really in there enough punch or you see it? But Masicka a good artist. And him have some good song. See? Cause me listen VN a good song, me not lie. A good song that it even better than the first song with Tamili drop. Yeah, VN is a good song. But it's like Masicka don't know the art of war. It's like him don't know how to follow a story. It's like him step and then him step back. Step back, look back, then go forward, then step back. I saw him do it. If you see how Tamili upgrade each song, when him do it just get better and more better. Masicka is like he start off good, then go bad, then he go halfway. I don't know where I go forward with right now. Cause and him I don't know where I go do. Cause to me, when I see man go use cartel flow, I say, what? You do a 5-minute song, then a 3, then a 6-minute song, and then you come use cartel flow. So I say, I wonder if I run him man run out of flow or what? I run him run out of flow? Or him couldn't find a chorus or a punchline or nothing him have to draft one a cartel thing. But look here, nothing wrong if him draft a cartel thing. But if you go do it, brother, you have to kill everybody in the camp because that was what cartel used that for do. Destroy alliance with it. But you never do it, and that make the people them. Yeah, because people out there rate Masicka, brother. Them rate. And it's just that people very disappointed in that Masicka. How am I execute the song them? I just that, you know, but you have people that forward out and say, yo, and I like how them did Masicka and them did Masicka through them favorite. Bro, no for stop it, bro. You understand? Because if Masicka did that do it and the punchline and this, listen what the people them they say, then it would have be different. Yo, any of Masicka did this alkaline in a song. May I tell you them again. But him not doing it. If you that this cartel, him not brother, Aleph, he not get nowhere. See? But at least just tweet something. Do something, brother. You understand? But only Tamili do it. And that's why the people might choose Tamili. Because Tamili execute the thing them in a song and him come with some mad flow. Masicka not do it, bro. The man say, Masicka's a killer, I'm in a boss. And I'm off in your boss house. So you see hard and tough. You hear what that flow that's like, Tamili a gear. Gonna put in the boot and the lot and the beat. Come on, man. You need to live up thing. A dance all this, you know, bro. This is not ching wang ling hang hong kang ha. You understand? Yeah, you have to a dance all this. That's the thing. So nobody, yeah, you got people out there with bias and thing, but come on, man. On the system Masicka, nah, execute the song them good. And I just that. You see me? And this is not a baby thing, brother. This is a war, bro. So when you hear people attack and sometimes I always have to be biasness, my youth. Because remember, you know, the two man in a Gaza, brother. The two man in a Gaza. Right now, if the two man are one man in the war, alkaline. Zine, may I tell you, look how much you see all right now you have a man them where we say Gaza, some man I say, yo, when alkaline a war. You understand? So I just Masicka nah do the thing the right way. Come if Masicka did that, let me tell you, people rate Masicka. If Masicka did that deal with Tamilia away, me I tell the people that are the truth, people that say, yo, Masicka, do it. But Tamili have the edge. Him know, me no know. Tamili just know how to deal with the thing. And I just that Masicka feel, you know. You understand? But people, when you don't know, you know, one media facts, you know. Big up on yourself, you know, respect for the support, you see it. That is it.